In today's video, I will be sharing my entire strategy on the 5 coins that I invested $50,000 into. I will talk about how long I plan on holding them and when I will sell and take profit. We will cover my entire strategy in this video. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And now let's jump straight into it. As you guys know, yesterday I invested $50,000 into 5 coins that I believe are going to take off in the second leg of this bull market. So over the last couple of weeks, I have pretty much taken a lot of profit that I made in the first leg that was sitting as stable coins in my accounts and converting it back into crypto. I think over the last month, I have put back over $100,000 back into coins and projects I believe in. Just yesterday, I invested $50,000. The day before, I invested $10,000. I have been also adding to my positions in some of my favorite coins like Cardano, Chainlink, and a couple of other ones. And I have been looking for new projects to invest in as well. I also dropped some money on this new game called Heroes and Empires. I think this one is going to be a good one as well. So I invested in that as well. And then obviously more riskier plays in meme coins. But overall, I have over $100,000 invested this month alone. And I believe it is going to pay off big time in the second leg of this bull market. So hopefully these projects that I invested in end up making me a ton of money. And now let me show you the 5 coins and when I plan on selling in my entire strategy. Let's go. So here's the spreadsheet that I made to track the progress of the $50,000 that I have invested. As you can see, here are the 5 coins that I ended up purchasing: Safe Haven, Lossless, Algorand, Polka Starter, and Constellation. This word gets me every time. Alright, so I invested $10,000 into each project at these prices right here. And this is the amount of coins that I have received. So this is officially the first day of holding all 5 of these coins. And as you can see on DAG, I'm down. I'm down from $10,000 to $9,231. On Polka Starter, I'm down just over $100. On Algorand, I'm down as well to $9,753. But if we look at Lossless, this one has done extremely well in a single day. My $10,000 is now worth $16,273, which is absolutely awesome. So that is a 62% gain in a single day. It was around $18,000, but I still held on because it did not reach my sell target. Also, Safe Haven is up as well and is worth $10,833. So my initial $50,000 that I invested is now worth $55,974. Not bad at all for a single day of holding. So hopefully it continues to go up going forward and we end up making a ton of money in the process. But almost $6,000 in a single day, I say that is pretty good. But as you can see right here, profit taken is $0 and sold is 0 as well. This is where I'll pretty much track and write down how much profit I have made from the $50,000 that I invested. And then for sold, that is also 0. That is where I'll be tracking every sell order that I make from these 5 coins that I'm holding. And now to answer one of the most important questions that a lot of people have been asking me is, when are you selling? When are you taking profits? My goal right now is to wait for every single coin that I have to double in price. For example, Lossless yesterday got very close. My $10,000 was over $18,000. But I did not take profit simply because I believe Lossless can easily double my money. So when my $10,000 becomes $20,000, I will sell $10,000 worth of Lossless and take out my initial investment. And then the rest I will leave in there as my moon bag for the remainder of this bull run. And hopefully that $10,000 turns into $100,000. I think it is definitely possible with Lossless. So that is my strategy with these coins. Let them double and then I will take out my initial investment and let the rest ride and hopefully make me even more money. Don't get me wrong, I still love these projects and I definitely think they can do an easy 5x to a 20-30x in the remainder of this bull run. But as we all know, the crypto market is extremely volatile and very, very risky. One bad news article from the feds or a statement from somebody in the government can take the market down 10, 20, 30%. Also, if you have been following my YouTube channel, earlier this year in one of the challenges, I invested $5,000 into GRT, the graph. And within a matter of like a week, week and a half, my $5,000 became over $15,000. But guess what happened? I did not take any profit whatsoever. And I'm still currently holding that exact same position right now. And my graph position right now is just under $4,000. Just imagine if I took $10,000 in profit and then reinvested that money into other projects, or pretty much kept it in stablecoin. So with these investments, I will definitely be taking out the money that I invested in. So hopefully they all double and I take out my initial investment, and then the rest will be all moonbags in these awesome projects. And hopefully one of those moonbags goes absolutely insane and makes us a ton of money. Also, I do not want to sit here and lie to you guys and tell you, yo, I'm diamond handing everything until it goes to $1 million. I want to be as transparent as possible with my strategy. I do not want people FOMOing in because I'm diamond handing something. In reality, every investment is risky. And in every video, I tell everyone, do your own research before you invest. I'm not a financial advisor, any of that stuff. This is just me showing you guys how I make money, how I invest, and pretty much my entire strategy. Also, after reading your opinions in the comments, I will be making updates a couple times a week, showing you guys the progress of my $50,000 investment, showing you when I'm selling all of that important information, when I'm taking profits, what I'm doing with the profits, how much money these coins are making every couple of days. I was going to do it daily, but I think it will just wear me out and it will get very, very repetitive. So hopefully 2 to 3 times a week, I will release a short video, probably like 3 to 5 minutes, giving you guys the latest updates on these investments. And before I end this video, I want to answer a quick question that a lot of people have been asking me. And that is, what about taxes, bro? Personally, I do not care about taxes. I'm not going to let taxes stop me from making profit. I will be investing and making as much profit as I possibly can. Obviously, I will pay all the taxes that I owe on the profits that I make. But I am doing small, subtle things in order to make my tax bill smaller. I will be making a video soon on what I think about taxes and what I'm doing personally in order to avoid having a huge tax bill at the end of the year. So stay tuned for that video. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section below, and see you in the next video. Peace out.